at Giuseppa's house. We're greeted by her little Jack Russells too, Lady and Lily. And we're about to go in for a wonderful feast. Allora Giuseppa, come stai?
Abbastanza bene, via, accontentiamoci.
Bene, she says quite well, and let's be grateful. Let's go eat. Andiamo. Grazie. Siamo in casa di Giuseppa, in Giuseppa's house, and she's making us some delicious homemade tagliatelle. And to serve on the homemade tagliatelle, she's made
carne macinata di vitelle maiali.
with the sauce of ground meats of veal and pork, e vitello e maiali cresciuti qui.
Sì,
And the pig and the veal, the calf that is, raised right here on Giuseppa's land. And so this will be the primo piatto. E poi Giuseppa, per secondo piatto, che hai?
Ho preparato un bel arrosto di pollo.
Wow.
Eccolo qua.
There she is for the second course. Roast chicken. Anche qui cresciuto il pollo, no?
Sì, sì.
And the chicken is from Giuseppa's land. Grazie, Giuseppa.
E queste sono le patate, signori.
Oh, and there's not just chicken. There's roast potatoes.
Bollano forte.
And these are coming right out of her wood oven, the delicious roast potatoes. Mangiare qui è sempre una festa. Eating at Giuseppa's is always a feast. It's time to season the pasta. Guarda che pasta buona. And of course the tomatoes were raised here, the garlic, the onion, the celery, the carrot, everything that goes into an Italian meat sauce was raised by Giuseppa. And she's stirring it up in those delicious homemade tagliatelle.
Tagliatelle di nonna Pina.
Of Nonna Pina, Grandma Pina. Giuseppa's nickname is Pina for those close to her. Look at the little bit of an extra adornment of that delicious sugo. Che buono.
Vediamo, penso proprio di sì perché.
She says, let's hope it's good, but I think it probably will be today.
Eccoci.
Bene, bene. Giuseppa's wonderful cake is dolce alle mele
Mele cioccolato fondente.
with dark chocolate, apples and dark chocolate. And possiamo vedere il vino, and it's going to be accompanied with Vin Santo, which is the holy wine. And this is a very special wine made by her husband Paolo in 2015. E grazie, Giuseppa, grazie di questo pranzo squisito.
Prego.
Sempre,
Grazie
sempre.
a voi della compagnia che mi avete regalato oggi.
She said thanks to us and the company that we gave to her as a gift today.